Hello YouTube. So here's what we're working on today. We're over here at the scrapyard, and I think I'm gonna try and extend out this fence right here because it's a little bit too short. This is the new fence I put up, but it's too short, very easy to break into. And then so I'm thinking we're gonna add 2 feet to the top of it, and then maybe get a little part coming back out, you know, at like an angle, kind of like that, so then you can't hop over it. And we're gonna do this basically just with scraps we figure out around the yard. You guys want to see the yard? There's the loader. Oh yeah. Here we are, guys. Here's the welder, propane powered Miller Legend. It's an old son of a bitch, but so we tacked up these pieces, and then I think then we're gonna try to put a bar across the top, and then it's kind of flimsy, but and then maybe then one coming back out this way to make it hard to hop. So I guess I'll cut these pieces up and we'll see how it goes from there. Well guys, we extended the top of the fence. Still needs a lot more work, but I think it's about all I can get done today. Everything else I gotta do. So we still gotta come along and then do this side. And then we gotta figure out then some way to support this thing. But for now though, I gotta pull some parts. We need a radiator for a BMW and a couple other little miscellaneous pieces. So I guess we'll see how that does.